and she has achieved an impressive 97%. Her outstanding academic performance has earned her multiple honors. She is also receiving the Science Stream Topper Award for her batch. Not only this, she is also the subject topper of mathematics, a remarkable testament to her diligence and intellect.
Please extend your warm applause.
Coming up next, Apurva Bhora, a consistent performer and a true scholar. He secured third position with remarkable 95.4%. He has also achieved a Commerce Stream Topper Award. Please put your hands together as he is the subject topper in accountancy. His accomplishments speak volumes of his hard work and perseverance. Let's applaud them for their remarkable achievement and dedication. Their commitment surely serves as an inspiring example for their peers.
It's now time to honor the subject toppers of class 12. First, we would like to invite the students who have secured a perfect 100 in psychology. Let's welcome Priya Singh to the stage for a well-deserved moment of recognition. Next is Vibhanshi Singh Rajput, but she won't be able to join us today. It's time to honor Divisha Akar, a true example of dedication and excellence.
Let us celebrate their achievements with a hearty round of applause for these outstanding scholars.
Let's celebrate the achievements of Lavanya Jain with a warm round of applause. Let's celebrate the achievements of Lavanya Jain with a warm round of applause. Now may I call upon the outstanding achievers with a full score in commercial art. It is with great pride that we call upon Pana Nainwani to join us on the stage for this moment of celebration.
I request the parents to please show their enthusiasm with applause.
Let's welcome Sanya Sattavan with a warm round of applause. She is absent today. We would now like to invite the brother of Prakriti Singh to receive the award in place of her.
He might not have arrived today.
Kindly join me in welcoming Sejal Gupta to the stage as we honor her commendable accomplishments. Let us extend our heartfelt congratulations to these outstanding scholars who have truly excelled in their academic endeavors.
Shri Pranlal Devkaran Nanji Award was instituted to recognize and celebrate students for their harmonious behavior, which fosters unity and understanding in school community. These students embody the spirit of peaceful conduct, reminding us of Gandhiji's words, "In a gentle way, you can shake the world." Through their kindness and empathy, they make our school a better place to learn and grow. This year's award goes to Nyasa Sharma of class 10A. She has been awarded with a cash prize of Rs 1500 along with an appreciation certificate. Congratulations! We are indeed impressed by your dedication and commitment to excellence.
Character is the bedrock of success. The C. Subramaniam Award celebrates those students whose moral integrity and strength of character are exemplary. These students have shown us that true success goes beyond academics. It's about who you are as a person. Each awardee will receive a cash prize of Rs 500 along with a certificate of achievement. The award is given in 3 categories: The first category is for classes 6 to 8 and the award goes to Darshika Johri of class 8C. The second category is for classes 9th and 10th and the proud recipient is Harshal Garg of class 10th D. The third category is for classes 11th and 12th and this award is backed by Parnika Khandelwal of class 12C. Let's celebrate their unwavering commitment to excellence in character with a big round of applause. The Bhavan Scholar of the Year Award is a testament to the hard work, dedication and perseverance that our students have displayed throughout their academic journey. This award recognizes students who have displayed outstanding academic performance over a sustained period. This award is given across 4 categories considering students' performance over the previous 2 academic years and the current academic year up until the first term. In UKG, the award is proudly received by Angad Soni. This year's award is presented to Ruhi Daswani. Let's join our hands together to celebrate this proud moment. In class 8, we are pleased to announce Jigar Gupta's name as the recipient of this award. Finally, for class 10th, the award goes to Kashvi Patidar for her remarkable achievements. Let us all give a warm round of applause to these exceptional scholars for their outstanding academic achievements and for setting a high standard for their peers.
The Bhavan Scholar Blazer is not just an attire, it is a badge of honor. This prestigious award is given to outstanding students across all 3 streams, science, commerce and humanities, who have demonstrated exceptional dedication to their studies and achieved an excellent score in their respective streams in the previous academic year and the first term of the current academic year. It is now my great pleasure to announce this year's recipients of the Bhavan Scholar Blazer. In science, the Scholar Blazer has been awarded to Avik Mathur of class 12A. You have not only achieved it, but inspired others to achieve it.
Let us celebrate this honor with applause.
In commerce, it is presented to Divisha Jain of class 12C. Congratulations, your excellence is a gift to our school community. We are pleased to announce that in humanities, the Scholar Blazer goes to Meenal Gupta of class 12B. Let's celebrate not just the success, but your efforts behind it. Please join me in applauding for these outstanding scholars.
The Bhavan's Rising Star Award celebrates students from their early years who are making remarkable strides in their journey of learning and personal growth. This award is presented to the students for their overall discipline and active participation in various co-curricular activities, including sports, arts and other creative pursuits. It is now my great pleasure to announce the recipient of this year's Rising Star Award. Let's greet them with a hearty applause as they come on the stage. For Balwadi, the award is backed by Kirat Khatri of class UKG A. Let us give a round of applause to these outstanding individuals for their impressive achievements and bright futures ahead.
Bhavan's Rising Star Award is also given to students of class 12 who show competency and passion in certain specific fields and domains. They will be bestowed with an award for their respective field. Our first category is dance. The student we honor today has actively participated in numerous school programs, consistently captivating audiences with her performances. She is Anushka Dubey of class 12C. Now moving towards the Bhavan's Rising Star Award for Orchestra. To be good at any instrument, you need to have a disciplined approach and commitment. And this awardee has integrated those in his work ethics. He is Saksham Sappal of class 12A. Let's extend a warm round of applause to honor their moment of recognition. It is now time to present the Bhavan's Rising Star Award in band. This award recognizes a student whose dedication and consistent effort have truly set them apart. The student receiving this honor is Ayush Khandelwal of class 12C. Moving ahead, we now present the Bhavan's Rising Star Award in Yoga. This award goes to a student who's consistently displayed remarkable confidence and grace in every movement. She is none other than Manasvi Jain of class 12C. Let's make a moment of honor truly special with your applause.
For those who stand under the spotlight, bringing their talents to the theatre, this award recognizes their artistic creativity, discipline and passion. As Shakespeare wrote, all the world's a stage. And this award is given to the student who has shown brilliantly on stage, captivating audiences with his exceptional performances. It is now my pleasure to announce the recipient of this year's Bhavan Spotlight Award. It is awarded to Divyansh Nayyar of class 12C. His journey reminds us that performance is not just seen, but felt, and it is this spirit that truly brings our stage to life.
Creativity is intelligence having fun. The Bhavan's Rachnatmak Award celebrates students who excel in the arts, whether it be painting, sculpture or any other creative pursuit. This award is presented to the student of class 12 who has shown his exceptional skills and creativity throughout his academic journey. It is now my great pleasure to announce the recipient of this award from class 12. He is none other than Paranjay Arora of class 12C. This young talent demonstrates exceptional discipline and creativity, paving the way for future success and inspiring their peers along the way.
For the student who brings innovation into his life and learning, the Bhavan's Rajit Award acknowledges the one whose contributions push the boundaries of what's possible. This award is presented to the student of class 12. It is now my great pleasure to announce the recipient of this year's Bhavan's Rajit Award. This year, this award goes to Shriman Agarwal of class 12A. Let us celebrate this outstanding individual for his ingenuity and the positive impact he has made within our school community.
The Bhavan's Daksh Award is presented to a student who has excelled in both academics and extracurricular activities, showcasing his all-round abilities. Albert Einstein once said, "Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value." This student has proven her values through her contributions in various spheres of school life. This year, the exceptional student of class 5th will receive this award. We are delighted to announce that the Bhavan's Daksh Award is presented to Krishangi Soni from class 5th B for her outstanding contributions in both academics and extracurricular activities. Let's give a resounding round of applause for her remarkable accomplishments. The Principal's Cup is a prestigious award given to students who have not only excelled academically but but have also participated actively in co-scholastic activities. This coveted award represents not only intellectual pursuits, but also exceptional character and leadership. As Ralph Waldo Emerson once said, the creation of 1,000 forests is in one acorn. This student truly embodies the spirit of a well-rounded education. It is my pleasure to announce that this year's Principal Cup recipient is none other than Anushka Dubey of Class 12C. Let's give her a big round of applause for outstanding achievements. As we come to the close of this grand celebration, let us remember the words of Ralph Waldo Emerson. The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. To all the awardees today, remember that this is just one milestone in your journey. Keep striving, keep learning, and continue to push the boundaries of your potential. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.
We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, respected dignitaries, Ma'am Principal, for honoring our students with awards. Your encouragement and guidance continue to inspire every student to aim higher and achieve greater. Congratulations once again to all our award recipients. May your journey ahead be filled with continued success.
Who kindles hope and sets hearts on fire. With vision so vast and spirit so true, the world shines brighter because of you. This evening is made truly special by the gracious presence of our chief guest, a personality whose life and work embody excellence, integrity and dedication. Their achievements are a beacon of inspiration, motivating young minds to dream higher and strive harder. May I request Shri Rajiv Jain Sir, Vice Chairman, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Jaipur Kendra, to kindly present a memento to our honorable chief guest as a token of our appreciation and reverence. Thank you, sir, for accepting this humble token. Your presence has truly added grace and significance to the celebration.
Words have the power to ignite minds, to awaken dreams, and to shape destinies. When they flow from a heart of experience and wisdom, they become a guiding light for all who listen. Having been honored by the benign presence of a chief guest, we now look forward to being inspired by his thoughts and words. It is indeed a privilege to invite our honorable chief guest, Sri Rajan Vishal Sir, to kindly address the gathering and share his words of wisdom with us. So, we are earnestly waiting for your inspiring thoughts, words that will surely enlighten our minds and strengthen our resolve to strive for greater heights.
Namaskar. Mr. Rajiv Jain, Vice Chairman, Mr. R.C. Jain, Mr. Rajendra Bhanawat, Madam Rekha Gupta, Madam Asha Golecha, other members of the school management, Principal Madam, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, parents, and dear students. Namaskar to everybody. It gives me immense pleasure to be here today in Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidyashram Pratap Nagar's annual day celebrations. This is a day that reflects the spirit, achievements and aspirations of this wonderful institution. I am delighted to be amongst so many bright, happy and cheerful young faces. Today is not just a celebration of academic success or awards, but it is also a celebration of all the efforts, all the values, all the dreams. I congratulate all the students, teachers and parents who have worked hard throughout the year to make this day meaningful and memorable. I was going through your school's annual magazine, Bhavan Dhara. Kal raat mein Bhavan Dhara padh raha tha. It beautifully captures the essence of your academic, sports, cultural and co-curricular journey. The stories, the poems, the articles were reflection of young minds that are thinking deeply, writing creatively, and growing beautifully. Particularly, I was impressed by the thoughtful debate on the topic, is war necessary for peace? Gagan Pancholi of class 10 cited examples from Mahabharata, Ramayana, and the struggle of freedom fighters against the Britishers to justify the war, and he argued that struggle is necessary to uphold peace and justice. On the other hand, Anushka Dubey, who received a very big Principal's Award, she argued in the article that war leads to destruction, loss of lives, and human suffering. She brought in Buddha, she brought in Alfred Nobel, and she also brought in Russia-Ukraine conflict, which has disturbed the geopolitical space globally. दोनों विद्यार्थियों ने अपने विचार बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत सुंदर से प्रस्तुत किए, और ये बताता है कि विद्यालय केवल ज्ञान ही नहीं देता, दृष्टिकोण भी देता है। सिक्के के दोनों पहलू होते हैं, हेड भी होता है, टेल भी होता है। तो हेड अगर ये कहे कि सिर्फ हेड ही हेड है, क्योंकि उसने टेल नहीं देखा, टेल सिक्के के दूसरी तरफ, और टेल कहे कि टेल ही टेल है, हेड नहीं होता क्योंकि वो सिक्के के दूसरी तरफ होता है। विद्यालय का ये काम होता है और बच्चों की ये एस्पिरेशन होनी चाहिए कि हम सिक्के के दोनों पहलुओं को एप्रिशिएट करना सीखें। जब हम एप्रिशिएट करेंगे, एक्नॉलेज करेंगे, तो वी विल इमर्ज एज मोर बैलेंस्ड एंड एसिमुलेटेड ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, एंड दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड। Now, when we talk about success, I believe it rests on 4 important pillars from my own personal experience. 4 मजबूत stepping stones होते हैं success के. One is goal, one is discipline, one is belief, and the last is never quitting. Goal setting में मुझे याद आता है जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय हर जिले में मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज भारत सरकार द्वारा संचालित किए जाते हैं। ग्रामीण पृष्ठभूमि से आने वाले, लेस डिसएडवांटेजेस बैकग्राउंड से आने वाले बच्चों के लिए स्कूल्स होते हैं, और वहाँ पे 6 से 12 तक की रेजिडेंशियल एजुकेशन टोटली फ्री होती है। एज कलेक्टर आई वॉज द चेयरमैन ऑफ जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय मैनेजमेंट कमेटी। तो मुझे एक बार किसी डॉर्मेट्री में जाने का मौका मिला, जो हॉस्टल की डॉर्मेट्री होती है जिसमें 6-7 बच्चे रहते हैं। एक 12th के बच्चे का मैंने बेड देखा, उसने बेड के पीछे दीवार पे पत्थर से खरोंच के लिखा हुआ था 360, और उसका जो आखिरी नंबर था 3, 6 and 0, वो मिटा के हर दिन उसको रिवर्स लिखता था, 360, फिर 359, फिर 367। आई आस्क्ड हिम आउट ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी कि तुम्हारे पास कैलेंडर नहीं है, क्योंकि ये करीब 10 साल पहले की बात था, उस समय मोबाइल नहीं थे, गैजेट्स नहीं थे बच्चों के पास इतने फ्रीली। तो मैंने उससे पूछा कि तुम्हारे पास कैलेंडर क्यों नहीं है, और तुमने ये डेट जो लिखी है इसका क्या राज है? तो ही सेड कि सर ये 360 दिन बाद मैं NDA सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट कर लूँगा, नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी। गोल सेटिंग का एक उदाहरण मैं आपको देना चाह रहा हूँ कि उस बच्चे की करेज ऑफ कन्विक्शन इतनी अच्छी थी कि उसने गोल को रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग करके एक संख्या में परिभाषित कर लिया था कि मैं 360 दिन बाद ये बन जाऊंगा, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू शेयर ऑन दिस स्टेज दैट ही इज नाउ लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल इन इंडियन आर्मी। तो गोल सेटिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। गोल लाइफ गोल्स भी हो सकते हैं। somebody can become a startup entrepreneur, somebody can join defense services, somebody can become businessman, somebody can join civil services, doctor, engineer, the list is very big. And कोई भी जॉब छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता, सोसाइटी को बनाने के लिए सभी जॉब्स की बहुत महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका होती है। इसी तरह शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स हो सकते हैं, गिटार सीखना है, तबला सीखना है, डांस सीखना है। तो ये सभी गोल सेटिंग जो है दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हर बच्चा अपना एक गोल सेट करे, चाहे वो शॉर्ट टर्म है चाहे लॉन्ग टर्म। सेकेंड, डिसिप्लिन एंड कंसिस्टेंसी। वी ऑल नो हार्डवर्क का कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं होता, हार्डवर्क का कोई विकल्प भी नहीं होता। जिस प्रकार खिलाड़ी रोज अभ्यास करता है, संगीतकार घंटों रियाज करता है, इसी प्रकार हमें भी अपने जीवन में अनुशासन और निरंतरता ये रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। जब हम अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर आके चैलेंज जोन में आते हैं, ग्रोथ वहीं पे होती है। यदि हम कंफर्ट जोन में रहेंगे तो ग्रोथ नहीं हो पाएगी। चौथा है बिलीफ। यू शुड हैव अनफ्लिंचिंग बिलीफ कि जो मैंने सोचा है वो मैं करके रहूँगा। कभी कभी असफलताएं आएंगी, पर अगर बिलीफ होगा तो हम हर बार उठ के फिर से खड़े हो जाएंगे। सक्सेस जो है वो ये नहीं है कि हम कभी गिरे नहीं। सक्सेस इसमें है कि जब भी हम गिरे, हर बार गिर के उठ जाएं। दिस इज व्हाट सक्सेस इज। यू ऑल नो थॉमस एडिसन, अल्वा एडिसन, जिन्होंने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बल्ब का आविष्कार किया तो 1000 बार फेल हुए थे। उसके बाद उन्होंने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बल्ब का आविष्कार किया था। तो इन शॉर्ट सिंपल फॉर्मूला CBA, C फॉर कंसीव, B फॉर बिलीव, A फॉर अचीव। तो CBA का जो फॉर्मूला है, कंसीव, बिलीव एंड अचीव, यदि हम उसको फॉलो करेंगे, इफ यू कैन कंसीव ए ड्रीम, इफ यू कैन बिलीव इन इट एंड वर्क tirelessly, you will definitely achieve it. Dear students, school is not just a place where you study, it is a place where you blossom, where you gain perspectives, where you acquire knowledge and shape yourself into responsible citizens and good human beings. और मुझे बहुत खुशी है, मैं लिस्ट ऑफ प्राइजेस देख रहा था कि भवन विद्याश्रम में कल्चरल, करिकुलर, स्पोर्ट्स, ऑलराउंड डेवलपमेंट, एकेडमिक्स, इन सब चीज़ों को बहुत अच्छे से ऑलराउंड डेवलपमेंट बच्चों के लिए परस्यू किया जा रहा है। तो ये चीज़ें बहुत ज़रूरी होती हैं कि when we start asking, when we start questioning, when we start challenging, when we start grappling, तब हमारे को लर्निंग्स आती हैं, तब हमारे पास पर्सपेक्टिव्स आते हैं, तब हमारी ग्रोथ होती है। और इन सब चीज़ों को इंश्योर करने के लिए ये सब एक्टिविटीज़ का बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है। As we celebrate today, let us remember that every experience, big or small, teaches us something. Each challenge adds meaning to our story and strengthens our spirit. So we should all embrace our journey with courage and let it unfold our true potential. I am glad to see that Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidyashram Pratapnagar provides every platform for the students to grow in all dimensions, and Bhavans empower students to tackle the complexities of a constantly changing world with both confidence and integrity. In the end, I extend my heartiest congratulations to all the award winners and my best wishes to every student and parent here today. Congratulations to all the students, teachers and non-teaching staff for putting up a great show and wonderful cultural presentations जो हम अभी देखेंगे. May you continue to shine, explore your potential and contribute meaningfully to society. मैं एक शेर से ख़त्म करना चाहूँगा जो मुझे बहुत अजीज़ है कि जब मंजिल हो दूर और कदम लड़खड़ाने लगे, जब मंजिल हो दूर और कदम लड़खड़ाने लगे, तो रखना याद कि बिन मेहनत के हासिल तब तो ताज नहीं होते। ढूंढ लेते हैं खुद ब खुद अंधेरों में भी मंजिल अपनी, जुगनू कभी रोशनी के मोहताज नहीं होते। मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि भवन के भवनाइट्स जितने भी जुगनू यहाँ बैठे हैं वो अपनी मंजिल ज़रूर ढूंढेंगे और मंजिल तक ज़रूर पहुँचेंगे। I thank you, the management and particularly Rekha Madam, for inviting me into this celebration. I am truly delighted and honored to be here आपके बीच में. Best wishes to all of you. Enjoy your special day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
For your deeply inspiring and thought-provoking work. Your message will surely resonate in every heart present here today, encouraging our students to dream fearlessly and work diligently towards their goal. Your presence and blessings have truly elevated this evening, making it one of pride learning and inspiration. Gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today and creates a vision for tomorrow. As we come to the close of the formal segment of this grand celebration, it is time to acknowledge with deep appreciation all those who made this event a resounding success. Every great occasion is built upon the pillars of dedication, teamwork and vision. And today's celebration has beautifully reflected all three. To convey our heartfelt appreciation and gratitude to everyone who has contributed to the success of this annual day, may I now invite our head boy, Divyansh Nayyar, to present the vote of thanks.
Gratitude is the palest blossom which springs from the soul. It is in acknowledging the contributions of others that blossom our hearts. Most honorable chief guests, esteemed guests, other dignitaries, members of the teaching staff, parents, students and supporting staff. I, Divyansh Nayyar, head boy, on behalf of our school, Bharati Vidya Bhavan, Vidya Ashram, Pratapnagar, and the entire fraternity of our institution, deem it a great honor to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion. At the very outset, we would like to express our gratitude to the Almighty, whose blessings have led to smooth conduct of such a grand event. A special thanks to our honorable chief guest, Shri Rajan Vishal Sir, Secretary for Agriculture, Horticulture and Panchayati Raj, Jaipur, who has taken time out of his busy schedule to be with us today. Sir, your presence has enthused us. I earnestly hope that your innumerable achievements, invincible wisdom and rich experience shall help us in the long way. We must extend our gratitude to the school management for their guidance, vision and resources which makes events like this possible. With a deep sense of appreciation, we would like to put our heartfelt thanks to Shrimati Preeti Sangwan Ma'am, Principal K.M. Munshi-Marg for her unwavering support and valuable cooperation that ensured the grand success of the event. We would also like to put on record the efforts of our Prefectorial Council and volunteers who were on their toes this entire week. We are highly grateful to our parents for supporting us and taking part in this event with great enthusiasm. We feel great pleasure to extend our heartfelt gratitude to the representatives of print media and reporters who will be capturing the essence of this program and sharing it with a broader audience. We must acknowledge and appreciate the efforts put in by the auditorium manager and staff, administrative staff, non-teaching staff and the technical team who kept the wheels rolling behind the scenes, which ensured smooth conduction of the program. We all are indeed fortunate enough to have you all on this special day, as we firmly believe the school's progress, its growth and glory is directly related to your concern and your blessings. Thank you once again for being a part of this wonderful evening. We look forward to your continued support in all our endeavors. Wishing you all a pleasant evening ahead. Thank you.
Color and creativity of our talented students takes center stage.
The performances filled with passion, energy and grace will reflect the very essence of Bhavan, where tradition meets talent and learning meets joy.
So sit back, relax and enjoy an evening full of music, movement and magic as we unfold our mesmerizing cultural presentations prepared lovingly by our students.
Let the celebrations continue.
Every story begins the same way. A tiny hand holding on to a bigger one. But as years pass, this hand wants to let go. Sometimes to play, sometimes to fight, and sometimes to fly away. Tonight, we present the journey of every parent and child. Their love, their laughter, their little clashes, and their endless bond. Congratulations! You are blessed with a baby girl. May God bless the child always.
मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया तू ही रे मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही रे मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया तू ही रे मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही रे रात दिन तेरे लिए सजदे करूं दुआएं मांगू रे मैं यहाँ अपने लिए रब से तेरी बनाए मांगू
It all starts with little steps, little giggles, and parents who find happiness even in a sneeze. For the child, parents are the entire world. For parents, every smile is a festival.
Okay, now listen up. We're gonna tell you a story about four guys. Da, Ra, Ma, and Pa. जो गिरे तो रात सहारा पल में समझे का इशारा
ये ना ये तो अगर मिल जाए तो ये संगम
the child grows, so do the questions.
Why is the sun so hot, Dad?
Why can't I eat ice cream every day, Mom?
Why do I have to go to school every day? Why can't we come here and play?
Parents answer. Sometimes with science, sometimes with magic, sometimes with patience, and sometimes just with love. Soon, curiosity and mischief take over. Homework forgotten, but never the playground. Parents become teammates, chasing footballs, flying kites, even sliding down slides.
के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह।
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह। कितना मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा के दिखाना। जाते चीनी चटोरी चीनी को।
पके पेड़ पर पका पपीता, पका पेड़ या पका पपीता, पके पेड़ को पकड़े पिंकू, पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता। बोलो।
पके पेड़ पर पका पपीता, पकड़ा पिंकी पपी का कपड़ा।
कपड़ा?
पके पेड़ पर पका पपीता, पका पेड़ या पका पपीता, पके पेड़ को पकड़े पिंकू, पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता। कितना मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा के दिखाना।
पके पेड़ को पकड़े पिंकू, पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता। चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे जो गन्ना चोर, चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी को। चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे जो गन्ना चोर, चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी को।
कितना मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा के दिखाना।
चंदा चीनी
चमके चाटे
जो गन्ना चीनी चोर,
चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे जो गन्ना चोर, चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी को।
Then begins the age of choices. What to wear, what to eat, which bag to carry. Parents talk of needs, while children dream of wants. But slowly, innocence changes. The same child who once followed every word now begins to say, no.
No, I won't wear this. No, I won't sit here.
No, I won't listen.
And then comes the storm. Parents want discipline, while children want freedom. Parents say, not too much screen. Children say, this is our world now. Parents locked in memories of their past. Children racing to catch the future. One says, in our good old days. The other says, you'll never understand me.
When voices fade and tempers rest, two hearts still beat within one chest. The storm may roar, the words may stink, yet love survives in everything. The parent sighs, they've grown too fast. The child looks back at moments past. Both hurt, both wait, both long to say, I need you still, just in my way. It isn't pride, it isn't fight, just different views of wrong and right. One fears to lose, one dares to try. Both hide their tears and ask, why? But love returns, it always will. When hearts grow quiet, minds stay still. A smile, a hug, a gentle sign, and suddenly the stars align. No words are said, yet all is known. The bond rebuilds, the care has grown. For love needs neither rules nor art, just two soft hearts and a brand new start.
endless worries. Sometimes silence becomes the loudest sound. The parent feels trapped between duties and dreams. The child between freedom and fear of being misunderstood. Two generations caught in the rush of life, forgetting that love simply needs a pause. And in that pause often steps in someone who has seen it all. A heart that has weathered storms, yet still knows the language of calm. The one who reminds, this too shall pass. One touch and the noise fades away. Years of wisdom speak, though nothing they say. Sometimes a silent hand can heal what words and worries could never feel.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. The way
Adi, switch off the music.
Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one.
Adi, I said switch off the music.
The master of my sea.
Oh, Adi, come here.
Yes, Papa. Coming.
The masses running my.
Adi, can't you listen? I called you thrice. You have no time to study. All the time, you just want to be on your screen or with your friends. Don't add to my problems. Now stop looking at my face. Just go away from here and study. Oh my God, I cannot take all this anymore. Life is becoming so difficult. My own child doesn't listen to me.
Relax, beta. These are just sightseeing of life. You must learn from my experiences and also from my mistakes. Have a little patience. Let your child's teenage pass and he will be much mature. Don't give him advices, but give him your love. Only love. I wish I would have understood this philosophy when you were growing. I'm sorry for being strict and dominating when you were looking for a friend in me. Your child only needs your love and trust. Then just wait for the magic to unfold.
No one understands me. My friends have such loving parents. Why am I pressurized for everything? From what to wear to what to eat. From where to go and why to go. What subjects to study and what friends to choose. I am really fed up. What to do and where to go. No one loves me. No one has ever loved me.
Don't ever say that, child. We all love you more than words can ever tell. We may disagree on some things, but you mean the world to us. You are our biggest treasure.
We scold you sometimes, not because we don't trust you, but because we are worried for your future. We worry if you'll be safe, if you'll be strong enough when life tests you.
Sometimes our fear may sound like a rule, and our rules may appear walls to you. But behind every rule is only care.
We don't want to control your dreams. We just want to protect them until you can fly on your own.
You may feel we don't understand you, but our love for you has no conditions, no limits. And then comes the moment of maturity. Every storm must rest. Silence doesn't mean the bond is broken. It only means two hearts need time to understand each other again. As the noise fades, both begin to think. The parent remembers their child is growing, not drifting away. And the child realizes their parents' anger was only another name for care. When both understand, love never needs big changes, just small ones. A little patience, a little listening, a little trust. Because in the end, it was never about winning the argument. It was always about finding each other again. Love never disappears. With time, the child understands the sacrifices. With time, the parent learns to let go, and the bond becomes unbreakable again.
जन्म देने वाला बागबान, परिवार को जन्म देने वाला पिता, दोनों ही अपने खून पसीने से अपने पौधों को सींचते हैं। ना सिर्फ अपने पेड़ से, उसके साए से भी प्यार करते हैं, क्योंकि उसे उम्मीद है एक रोज जब वो जिंदगी से थक जाएगा, यही साया उसके काम आएगा।
A father is a root on which the family stands. His only wish that his child grows taller than him, reaches farther than he ever could. A father's pride is not in his own name, but in the name his child creates. I once said that you'll make a big name. I gave you my vision, but you chose your own dreams. I am happy that with you we both have succeeded. After all, it is your journey that matters the most. And remember, I'll be here always. The sky is vast, with space for all to soar. Do not worry, do not fear. Take a deep breath, spread your wings and rise to touch the endless sky. Go ahead and fulfill your every desire. In the garden of dreams, every flower blooms at its own time. Some at dawn, some at dusk, but each carries its own fragrance. We cannot teach fishes to fly and birds to swim, but we can always give them a safe space to grow to their best of the abilities. Life today flows with its own rhythm, uncertain yet full of promises. It may push us down, but the family holds our hands to pull us back. In this struggle comes a moment of joy, when the family unites to celebrate the song of life, and the heart itself brings spring, hope, and new beginnings.
जिंदगी मुझसे है कह रही, तू जो मेरी माने तो चल दीवाने सपनों की राहों में तू, सारी खुशबुओं को सारी रोशनी को ले ले इन बाहों में तू, अब है तू जहाँ दिन रात सारे नए हैं, आरज़ू जवां जज्बात सारे नए हैं, नए रास्ते हैं तेरे वास्ते तो रहे को पनाह में तू,
From toys to textbooks, from tantrums to silence, every phase of childhood writes a new chapter in the story. We may not be perfect parents, we may not be perfect children, but love doesn't ask for perfection. Only patience, only understanding. Because together we are forever a happy family.
Bum chicka chicka bum bum chicka bum.
एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम, एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम, एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना पड़े तो है तैयार हम, है तैयार हम, एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम, एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना पड़े तो है तैयार हम, है तैयार हम।
As we come to the close of this beautiful evening, we thank each one of you for being a part of our journey tonight.
This presentation was a reminder that no matter how far we go, our greatest strength always lies in the love and understanding of our family.
Thank you for your time, your presence, and for celebrating with us the Anugunj echoes of eternal love.
Now, I request you all Now, I request you all to rise for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाहे